Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp, in the comments down below. Also, feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of these plays, and also get your free stock from the description down below. So next week, guys, is going to be a big week for the overall market. Either one or two things are going to happen next week. Hate to leave you guys on the fence and say, I always give my expectation whether it's going to go up or down. But being for the fact that the economy is in a crazy, unique situation, we got a lot, going in a direction for the economy has been doing better with slower inflation, interest rates coming down a bit, which in return helps the market. But on the flip side of that, we have a gap that's still to be filled for Bitcoin down to 10,000. The stock market still could correct itself over 15-20% from its lowest point. And we also know that the Feds, even though they're being less aggressive with hiking interest rates and tightening balance sheets, they're still putting fear into the economy, into the market, with basically, stating the obvious. In 2023, there will be even more people being laid off, and businesses isn't going to make nowhere near what they're making now. Because right now, business is supposed to be in extra panic mode. But being for the fact that it's the holidays, Christmas, people always been historically proven to, purchase things and buy gifts and celebrate holidays regardless of their financial situation. So majority of Americans usually will go in debt to give Christmas gifts and not care about, the future of their wealth, wherever their money is. So you guys already know how it is. But anyways, that's the only reason why companies isn't underwater right now. So going into 2023, the Feds, the government is already putting more fear out there. There's going to be more layoffs, and the overall economy is not expected to grow in 2023. So as we know, there's a lot of fear out there, a lot of shakiness, back and forth, hot and cold, hot and cold. They've been doing that for the past months and months and months. So as we know, guys, like I told you guys, the best thing you could possibly be doing right now is buying and holding quality companies, guys, in another account. You should have an account where you getting your feet wet, understanding how to day trade, getting out of these plays with a very, very small amount of capital, and only trying to make a small amount of capital. Let that compound over time, understand the process. Once you get house money and playing with their money, now you're able to maneuver around the market with a bigger quantity and size as you size into these positions, because now you're playing with house money. So, and also the other account would just be for investing during times like this. Crazy, crazy discounts, crazy, crazy steals. Because as we know, guys, if the stock market don't come back, that means the world is over. The world ain't coming back. And if the world not coming back and you investing your money in it, you ain't gonna need no money. You ain't gonna be no need for money anyway, because there ain't gonna be no businesses for you to spend the money at. So it got to come back regardless. This always happen. Crazy, crazy events happen within the world, or, crazy situations to where it look like it's the end. It's the end of the market. But I'm pretty sure, guys, once it does pop back and reverse, this thing is going to be, crazy. I'm talking 30-40% in a single day with certain securities. And next week is going to be that big week. Whether the market is about to run up significantly, very, very hard, ain't nothing going to be able to stop it. No news, no catalyst, no nothing. It's going to run very hard, or is we about to drop and close that gap fill before running back up hard, guys. So in my opinion, I will share with you guys what I believe, because I hate to leave you guys on the fence and say, oh, this or that could happen. I believe next week could be a get back week, far as the market has been hit, came down a bit, ugly day on Friday. I do believe the market could spike up a bit and then have a reverse, especially if the economy continues to stay at the state that it's in. If they don't come through, the government, the Feds come through and save the economy like they did before, once they're printed all that money and giving all that money away to cause what they causing now to happen, if they don't come through and, put a lot of money into the economy like how they do with them stimulus checks and get the world back on a up and up, then that's definitely going to happen. The next fall definitely going to happen, because the Feds, the government, market makers also didn't get enough retail investors up out of the market yet. That's another thing that they preying on, leveraging on, because as we know, during the pandemic, during all that free money, a lot of people discovered the market. And what they're trying to do is get people out of the market and out of crypto. Believe it or not, guys, that's why all this scam dudes and everything going around crypto right now, it ain't doing nothing but scaring the everyday Joe people away. And the big dogs is going to be accumulating and adding to their positions. So you already know, guys, get ready for next week, because next week is going to be one for the books. I'm hoping for a crazy spike. And then if we come down and reverse, of course, because, we already been saying that. I've been telling guys there's going to be multiple bullish markets within the bearish market. How long we been in the bearish market? Over almost a year now. One of the longest bear market we've seen, because usually a bear market usually lasts 9 to 10 months, no longer, not necessarily a year. And a bull market will last 3 to 4 years. The market is usually bullish more times than is the market usually bullish more than it's bearish. So anyways, guys, you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.